Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to do the 3D figures in your book. So I'm gonna be starting with this page, page 935, and I have some graph paper, ruler, and a marker, and I attached a link on the schedule. If you don't have any graph paper and you need to print some, go ahead and print it. If not, you can use your math notebook or any graph paper that you might have. So here we go. In this one, the book basically says that each one of these squares is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 5. So I'm going to start, I need to make sure that I leave enough room right here for the 5 of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I know that the other one has to be right over there. So the first square is 1, 2, 3. There's 4 squares in a row of 5. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the first one. 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the second one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the third. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that would be the fourth. Okay, so and then I know they're 5 centimeters tall. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's gonna be right there. And remember, please use a ruler so that your lines are actually straight, especially for this. If you do not cut straight lines, it is not going to work as a 3D figure. So then it says that right in here I can tell that after 5 of them, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm going to mark those lines too because that's going to tell me where I'm going to be folding. I have 5 going up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So like that. 3, 4, 5. I have another line right here, and then I have one going down. And I'm basically just following whatever my book says. I do that, and there's 5 of them in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So right there. I close it right here, and then I close this one right here. And so basically, I forgot to do one line right here for, what you can tell is that my figure right here looks just like the one in the book. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to be cutting it. And you guys are going to need probably like 4 pieces of paper for the 4 figures you're going to be using. So I'm going to cut on the line. And actually, probably would have been great to leave a few tabs to fold under, but that's okay. I'm just following instructions right here. And I'm only cutting the perimeter, so the outer edges. I'm not cutting into the little lines right there. I continue. And so see how all the skills you learned in earlier grades come in handy. You learn how to cut in kindergarten. So this is where you're going to need to use those skills that you learned a long time ago. Alright, so once I'm done with that, I'm going to be folding at each of these lines right here. I'm going to fold right here. And again, there's a line right there, so I'm going to fold up the line again. And there's another line right here, so I'm going to fold. And there's one more line right here that I'm going to fold as well. And so now you can see from a 2D shape that I have right here, when I fold it, and because it's made properly, I can turn it into a cube. And I'm going to use some tape and put it together and form a cube. So I need you guys to do the figures, basically, the figure on page 935, the one on 936, and the 2 figures on page 937. When you are done, I need you to put all 4 of your figures together, take one picture and upload it to Seesaw. So basically your picture should include all 4 of them. And you're gonna, if you can even label them underneath as to what each figure is. All right.